Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best white pencil dress available on the market right now. Whether you're a teacher, heading to the office, or attending church, this dress promises to blend style, comfort, and professionalism seamlessly. Let's explore why this dress has caught our attention. First off, let's talk about the design. This women's Bodycon pencil dress is crafted with a blend of 95% polyester and 5% spandex, ensuring it's not only elegant but also offers a comfortable stretch fit. The dress features a flattering peplum style, perfect for accentuating your silhouette. The midi length and 3x4 sleeves make it versatile for various occasions, from professional settings to evening gatherings. Now, what really sets this dress apart are its features. It's designed to be a true wear-to-work staple. The fabric is lightweight and breathable, making it suitable for year-round wear. The zipper closure adds a touch of sophistication while allowing for easy dressing. Whether you're teaching in a classroom, attending meetings in the office, or participating in church activities, this dress ensures you look polished and feel confident. Styling-wise, the simplicity of the design opens up endless possibilities. Pair it with classic pumps for a formal look, or opt for ballet flats for a more relaxed vibe. Minimal jewelry and a structured handbag complete the ensemble, keeping the focus on the dress itself. It's all about letting the dress speak for itself while complementing your personal style. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a versatile and stylish white pencil dress that transitions effortlessly from day to night, this women's Bodycon pencil dress is definitely worth considering. Its elegant design, coupled with comfort and functionality, makes it a standout choice. Whether you're updating your work wardrobe or searching for that perfect church outfit, this dress delivers on both style and substance. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews like this. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.